Hi, I'm Tim Alden with Alden School of Leather Trades. Today I'm going to talk to you about using a variable speed burnisher to finish your edges. Previously we showed you how we hand rub edges, but who wants to do that? So anyway, this is the Leather Machine Co. variable speed burnisher, and I usually run it at its lowest speed, that way we don't burn our edges. On one side we have a sanding wheel, on the other side we have a hardwood burnishing wheel. I actually buy my sandpaper off of Amazon. I like the 240 grit versus the heavier grits that you get from the Leather Machine Co. just for burnishing edges. If I'm cleaning edges up and I want to true something up, I'm going to use the heavier grit because it takes more material off. You can make your sandpaper last longer by getting a gum rubber eraser from your hardware store, just used for cleaning sandpaper and woodworking. Otherwise, it'll cake up. So let's get started. I'm just going to take my belt that I've already dyed the edges on. Before I dyed those with a dauber, I just dry sanded them to take a little bit of the material off and make it easier to run my dauber with my Phoebing's Pro Oil dye on. And as you can see, I didn't dye the backside, I just dyed the edge. We're going to put a little bit of water on this. I usually do it in quarters because it'll dry out. And the water is key to making those edges slick down and get real nice and smooth. So we're just going to have a little bit of pressure, not too much. We just want to keep those edges clean. And you want to turn it to the side and keep those edges round. You can already see that it's really getting smooth. We don't take a whole lot of material off. Just a little bit. It's already a really nice edge. Now that we've sanded that edge, we're going to go over to the burnishing side. We're going to put a little glycerin saddle soap on the wheel. We're just going to apply that to the belt. Once again, we want to keep those edges round. It's going to put a really nice edge on. A little bit of water kind of helps that soap soak in. Just that fast, you have a clean, really nice professional edge. We're going to go ahead and let that dry out a little bit, and then we're going to put a clear coat acrylic over the top of it that's going to make that edge last really nice. We're going to use a soft gel gloss mixed with water. I've also found since then that you can put it in a water bottle and reuse it. That way you don't have to throw it out or mix it up every time. sponge rinses out. Keep it on the side with a rubber band. Try not to get it stuck on there. We're just gonna pour a little bit of this into our recycled coffee cup. Make it easier to apply. Get a little bit on our dauber. We're just gonna get it on the edges. Okay, we're gonna let that dry, and we're actually gonna put 3 coats on just to make it good and solid. But once you're done with your 3 coats, you can take that leftover solution, pour it right back into your bottle, rinse your cup and your dauber, and you're ready to go for the next project. Well, thanks for stopping by. Hope you like these videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We're gonna have links in the description where you can get all these products. Also, we're running a special on the Cobra Burnisher. If you buy it from our website, leathercraftingschool.com, we're gonna offer free shipping in the continental US through the end of May 2018. So if you're in the market for a burnisher, save you a little bit of money on shipping. Anyway, hope you like these videos, and we'll see you next time.